Hello. Welcome to Tripzoa. Tripzoa is a complete travel management platform for professionals. Today in this video, we're going to see how you can sign up and set up your account with Tripzoa. To sign up, head over to tripzoa.com. What you see here is the Tripzoa homepage. Click on the Sign Up button here on the top right corner, which will take you to Sign Up page. You have multiple options to sign up. You can use your Facebook or Google account, or sign up with your email address. Today we're going to use a Google account. Click on Continue with Google, which will take you to your Google Accounts page. You can choose the account you wish to use from here. Click on the Google account you wish to set up the account with. Once you have chosen your Google account, your Tripzoa account is set up, and now you can add more details to your profile. Let's quickly add a nice profile picture. First name and last name are pre-filled with details from Google account. Add phone number and your company details, etc. Once all details are entered and we have a profile image, we click Save and Continue. Your account has been successfully set up in Tripzoa now. After the sign up, you will be taken to your personal dashboard and you will be offered a tour of Tripzoa. Highly recommend taking the tour, which will take you around multiple screens in Tripzoa. We have the dashboard, itinerary, and proposal tabs here. We will talk about these in detail in our upcoming videos. If you ever want to change any of the details that you've provided during the registration, you can always click on the profile link here and go to your profile. You can change any of the details that you've entered earlier. Your profile picture, or other details like name and contact details are all displayed to your clients when you send them any proposals, so it is important to keep these details up to date. That was a quick tutorial on setting up an account with Tripzoa. See you in the next video.